Morning guys, March 10th, 2023. Just when I got a call from a guy, he's got a problem with his sink drain. He replaced the sink and now the sink drain's leaking. So he said he didn't touch the drain. He might have hit it and broke the tailpiece off or something. It's a bathroom sink drain. Anyway, I'm gonna go over there. He called me yesterday. He wanted me to run over there yesterday. I told him I'd go by there today when I get a little time.
In 1/4 mile, turn.
He's home there now, so I'm gonna go over there and see if I can find out what's going on with this thing and see if I can fix it for him. It's probably a scratched tailpiece is what I'm thinking that he broke. It broke right off.
Now, I don't need the pop-up.
You don't?
No, I don't use it, and I'll tell you why. Look, there's not enough clearance.
To get the rod in.
Yeah, there's not enough clearance to get.
All right, so what I'll do is I'll put this in.
Yep.
I'll face it this way.
Yep.
And you have to do the lever here. Reach underneath to move the lever.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I mean, we don't use it, but if that's
well, I'm saying if I could put it in there and take the thing right out, so you're not using it. But if you want to use it, you'd rather not because you got no room there, huh?
Yeah. Rather not. No, we never use it. I'll buy a little stopper if I ever need to.
Yeah, I could just put this in without it, and then that's what you want. Yeah. Okay. Cut this here with a. Clip and Jed clamp it. I should be able to get that in there with the clamp. With the Jed clamp it. I'm hoping. The Jed clamp it in there and see if it'll go. Yeah, then I can push that down. See it? That's how I'm going to do it. Jed clamp it. I'm going to leave this forward. Well, I guess I could leave it back. It don't matter. He's not using it anyway. Top, I'm gonna put some putty on the top. He says he wants to leave it out, so we'll leave it out. Give you much room to get this thing in there, I'll tell you. Tight, 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 tight. She's a tight one, huh? She's a tight one. Crazy. Leaking. This is leaking. It's leaking this. This is going to be tightened up some. That's leaking. Home's leaking. Fucking junk. Sometimes you gotta put pipe dope on them to get them to stop leaking. I've had to do that before. Sometimes. I'm running water down there, don't seem to be leaking. He's not using that anyway, so you don't want to hook it up. I got the little strainer in there. We'll see it leaking, so that's good. No leaks.